When you first learned about quadratic equations, your teacher probably just shoved this equation into your face and that's it. But why does it actually work? Let's look at this simple linear equation first. How do we solve it? Well, first we move the 1 to the other side by subtracting 1 on both sides. Okay, that's 3x equals 9. So then we just move the 3 to the other side by dividing by 3. Okay, and now we know x equals 3. So basically we just push the problems away from us, in this case to the right side, until we only have 1x left. And that's our solution. It of course takes more than just that to solve a quadratic. So we are going to use the binomial formulas you have hopefully already seen before. You thought they would never help you later in life. Well, they won't, except if you want to become a mathematician. Anyways, just look at the first one. It has a crucial property we will need later. The left side has an x squared and a singular x, while the other side only got the singular x. This is huge and we will use the gained information right away. This is a general form quadratic equation. P and Q in this case are just constants. You can exchange them with any number like 1 or 2 instead if they confuse you. What we are in reality interested in is the x. So just shove the q to the right side. And now this step is the most difficult in this whole video. We add this to both sides. But why? Remember the binomial formula? It's the same right here. We want a singular x, but we also have the x squared. So we are using the formula in reverse to get that. And to do that, we just have to add this p squared over 4 on both sides. You can check that this works out by just multiplying the left out again. When you understood this, the rest is pretty straightforward. You just take the square root on both sides and then you just shove the rest to the right. And that's it. We have our formula. How are we going to use it? Well, look at this example right here. First, we just shove everything to the left side. Okay, now we clean up the mess we have created. Okay. And now that's really important. There is a 2 in front of the x squared. So we have to divide everything by 2. Sometimes you will get some weird decimals doing this, but don't worry about it, okay? And we're doing this to get the original form we've already had before. And now you can maybe see that the plus 2 is our p from before and the minus 2 is our q from before. And then we can just plug it into the formula and that's it. Okay, one more thing. You can also use the so-called ABC formula if you want to skip the division step, but I think it's just bigger and uglier. Yes, get out of here. Nobody likes you. Anyways, if for some reason you want to see the proof of this formula, just stay 5 seconds for the outro. Yeah. So, if you want to see something specific in the future, just leave a comment. I don't really think there will be much competition. I will be doing actual Olympiad related stuff in the future, so yeah, I hope I can reach my 3 comments in 10 years goal. And now please finish watching the ABC formula proof using only the superior PQ formula.